16 ounces of Velveeta, 8 ounces of cream cheese, all in our crock pot. I'm bringing in 1 pound of cooked ground beef, and we're gonna put that right on the side of our cheeses. Yum. Now I'm bringing in some veggies. I have 1 cup of cut up carrots, 1 cup of diced onion, 1 cup of diced celery, all in our crock pot. Yummy. This is gonna be so easy, so delicious. We're gonna add a couple of diced potatoes. I'm using Yukon potatoes. We've gotta make sure they're cut up so that they cook evenly with all of our deliciousnesses. Yummy. Now for some seasoning, we're gonna bring in some minced garlic. You can use fresh garlic if you prefer, but I personally like the taste of garlic more. And we're gonna add a tablespoon of garlic right into our crock pot. We have some chopped parsley. You can use dried, fresh, whatever you have will work. I'm gonna sprinkle this all over our veggies and cheeses. This is gonna be perfect for fall, perfect for winter, just cozy, delicious crock pot dinner that everyone will love. You can make this in the morning and set it and forget it. We're gonna add some salt. Now, if you're worried about sodium, you can skip the salt, but personally, I just think every dish needs a little bit of salt just for some good, hearty flavors. But like I said, you can skip it. Now I'm gonna add some black pepper. We're keeping it really classic. We really just want those veggies and cheeses to be the star of this dish. Yummy. Okay, we are at the home stretch. I'm coming in with my chicken broth. I am using the less sodium in this case because we already have that salt in there. And I'm gonna add the whole 4 cups of chicken broth into our crock pot. Get this ready super quick so that it can start cooking and we can have dinner ready on time. Oh my goodness. Okay, all 4 cups of this. Perfect. Now I'm gonna add 1.5 cups of whole milk right in there. We need a lot of liquids for all of those delicious veggies in there. Perfect. And to make this a little bit thicker, I'm adding 1/4 cup of flour, and we're just gonna sprinkle that right on top of the entire crock pot. Okay, you can use cornstarch if you don't have flour, just use what you have. But that is it. Our easy crock pot dinner is ready to start cooking. I'm gonna put my lid on and we're gonna set this on high. We'll probably give this a mix halfway, but it's gonna take a little bit to cook. All right, you guys, it's been 3 hours on high. Now, if you wanna cook this on low, you'll do it for 6 to 8 hours, but 3 hours on high is gonna be perfect. We're gonna pop this on warm and let's check it out. Now, remember, I did mix this halfway to make sure that cheese didn't burn. So we're gonna mix it one more time and then this is gonna be ready to serve. Oh my goodness, this looks so creamy, so delicious. One other tip that I wanna give is add your parsley last, like once it's already cooked, because this kind of turned my soup into green soup, which is fine. It still looks absolutely delicious. Let's just get this nice and mixed together so we can give it a try.
It smells amazing, babe. I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Okay, that looks great. All right, it's time to give it a try. We have those potatoes, the ground beef, the carrots, the onions, the celery. They all look perfectly cooked. Let's get some more broth, that milk, chicken broth, and that flour helps it get a little thicker. Looks so good. Ooh, and you could even add some green onions on top if you had any, but I don't have any.
Just be careful, babe. It's gonna be really hot.
It's gonna be really hot, but it's gonna be the perfect dinner for this cozy fall day. That is so yummy, you guys. You guys gotta try it.